In this lecture, I'm going to talk about intent of the keywords. So let's get started. Intent of the keyword, I think the intent should be divided on four aspects, and the number one aspect is awareness, interest, shopping, and buying. You can divide your keyword based on four parts: awareness, interest, shopping, and buying keywords. So the keywords can be divided into four parts. Now I'm repeating it again so you can understand. And now, depending upon the niche, you may be surprised to see that the awareness keywords might outperform interest and shopping level keywords. Buy keywords will almost always be your best performing ones though. Now understand what I'm saying. Let's say in the scenario we are discussing regarding iPhone 16. Now you know that there could be several keywords like iPhone 16 review, buy iPhone 16, iPhone 16 as a generic keyword, iPhone 16 specs, what is iPhone, where to buy iPhone 16. So now try to understand that also all the keywords are relevant and have good amount of searches. Now you may be surprised to see that what is iPhone 16 is an awareness keyword because the end user wants to know what is iPhone. Or if I do look around on the interest, the iPhone 16 may be an interest keyword and they may have a lot of searches, but that does not necessarily mean that people will actually buy iPhone when they are searching for that query. So now it is very important to understand the intent, what's going on in the user's mind when they are doing searching a particular query. So now if we divide on four aspects of awareness, interest, and shopping and buying, so we can label this as an interest keyword because the guy has interest. We can also label this one as an interest keyword, or we can also label it as an awareness keyword. What is iPhone 16 is also awareness keyword. Where to buy is a shopping or a buying keyword. It's a buy iPhone 16 is a buying keyword, and iPhone 16 review is again an interest or awareness keyword. Now you may try to logic it and see how it's impacting on the interest and awareness keywords. Also may have a good number of searches, but that does not necessarily mean that people want to buy or not. So what, as a marketer, we have to look for keywords where we can understand the intent of the user and then create a landing page accordingly. So now when we get an idea of the intent, then we can propose our product accordingly. Now when someone's searching for buy iPhone 16, it means that the user has already decided on whether iPhone 16 is a good product or not, and now he or she wants to buy the product. So understanding the intent of each keyword is very important in the part of your keyword research.